I saw this video on 1688 website and I decided to get one for myself to try it out to see if it will actually work like this, like what they are doing in the video right now. So, guys, if you want to see the outcome of what I'm going to do, just keep watching. You see this chair right here? It has suffered. Yeah, it has suffered though, especially in my children's hands. We started using this chair since the year 2019 after we got married. We saw this chair on Instagram and we liked it. The color, everything, the shape, we liked it and we decided to get one. So sometimes I would just like, okay, maybe my son is feeling itchy and I will remove his diaper so that he can receive fresh air. Before you know it, he will go and sit down on this chair and pee on the chair. When you give him drinks, maybe all these their snacks and drinks, that is where he will go and pour it on. Like he will wee wee on the chair, he will eat and pour all sort of things on the chair. See, the chair has really suffered. So I decided to like look for solution. So I contacted about two furnitures. One came to see the chair and he said he's going to change the cover of the chair, like the cloth on the chair, to change the color of the cloth on the chair. So I told him to give me my bill, like the estimate to change it. And guess what? Guess what? My bill was 45,000 naira. I shouted, I screamed like, why? 45,000 naira just to change this chair cover. I said, nah, that money alone is enough to get one seater chair. We have our personal reasons for not getting new set of chair yet, so that's why we decided to like just change the chair, especially the color. The color is it gets dirty. Sometimes I remove um the seat clothes. I put it in the washing machine, it washes it. I try my best to clean it, yet it keeps getting dirty all the time. And kids now, they will always do what they like. They don't know what it takes to really tidy up the home or the chair. So I contacted another furniture and that one said he would do it for 35,000. I say, hey, no way, I'm not paying such amount of money for this chair. We'll keep managing it. So I now saw that product on 1680. Then I decided to get this one, this color, because the color is okay. It won't get stained on time, and I can easily this use this chair cover. I can easily wash it, throw it inside the washing machine and wash it like that. So here I am trying it out. Yeah, trying to put the chair cover on it to see if it will actually work just like we have seen in the first video from the China video. So guys, keep watching. We are going to enjoy watching this video. Keep watching. So guys, I'm done tying it at the back, just like what we saw in the video. This is the outcome. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to turn it over and then um tucking the what is it called again? The stick foam that came with it to make it more firm and beautiful. So that's what I'm trying to do now. Those are the stick foam. So I'm trying to tuck them inside, push them inside very well so that it will make it look more firm. So guys, I hope you are enjoying the video so far. It actually comes in different colors, but I prefer this particular color. It comes in different colors and different designs. I'm going to drop the pictures on the screen. So if you are interested in getting this chair cover, do let me know and I can help you order it from China. You can get the single chair cover, you can get double chair cover, you can then get like this three-seater chair cover. So this one I got is three-seater chair cover. There is also for four-seater chair cover. So I think this outcome is okay. I think I'm loving it already. The way it's turning out, right? It's coming out fine already. So this chair cover has actually saved me 45K and I got it for less than 5,000 naira and the shipping fee was I think about maybe 2,000 naira or so. So you see the difference, right? And this is washable. When it gets dirty, you can easily remove it and wash it and it's stretchy. It is soft. It won't be hard to wash with hand. But I'll be using the washing machine to wash it because I can't come and kill myself. So guys, if you are interested in getting this chair cover, do let me know and I'm going to help you get them from China. I hope you enjoy watching. Look at that. Look at the final outcome. Look at the way it's looking so smooth as if the chair cover was made for it from the beginning. I hope you enjoy watching. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.